Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the essentials: a genuine Windows ISO and an 8 GB or larger USB drive, and you should back up any USB files. Once ready, run Rufus or the Media Creation tool as administrator so the program can write boot sectors. Select the ISO and the USB as the target device, then begin the write process. This immediate action saves time later. Make sure you confirm the selected drive so you don't overwrite the wrong disk. Now configure the important options that determine whether the USB will boot. Choose GPT for UEFI systems or MBR for legacy BIOS. This affects firmware compatibility. Pick NTFS when you need larger than 4 GB files or FAT32 when UEFI requires it. Some tools split the install. WIM automatically. Enable the verify or checksum step so the tool checks the written data against the ISO. While it writes, watch progress and pause only if an error. When verification finishes, safely eject the USB. Never pull it while writing, because that can leave it unbootable. Next, restart the target PC and enter BIOS or UEFI to set USB as the first boot device. Save and continue to start the Windows installer. Follow the installer prompts to partition and install. If the system won't boot, try the troubleshooting tip. Reformat the USB, switch ports, or recreate the image with alternate settings like FAT32 or a different tool. Then test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.